Welcome to Uma Talks, and finally we have reached to the last topic of the chapter. Okay, our environment last topic, that is managing the garbage we produce. Okay, so it is our contributions. Okay, in degrading the environment. Okay, and now whatever waste, whatever garbage we have produced. Okay, how do we manage it? Now, children, whatever garbage. Okay, if you come to digestion, life process, if you remember, okay, when we talked about digestion, okay, we had the enzymes which helped in digestion, which worked upon a definite amount of food. Like for breaking down carbohydrates, we had a specific enzymes. For breaking down proteins, we had specific enzymes. We did not have the same enzyme for breaking down all types of food. Okay, so specific enzymes which can act on a particular kind of food. That is what is digestion. So when we talk about these wastes, okay, it comes into two. One is biodegradable and the other one is non-biodegradable. Okay, biodegradable are that which can be degraded by the microorganisms. Earlier, when you remember, we did producers, consumers and decomposers. So all that which are living, okay, can be decomposed by the microorganisms, that is bacteria and fungus and all that. Okay, but all those which are not, like when we use plastics, okay, now plastics cannot be decomposed. So polythenes cannot be decomposed. Okay, physically it has to be broken down. Otherwise it will not. Like microorganisms, they do not act in degrading those substances. Got it? So they come into non-biodegradable. And children, we have raised our living standard thinking that the packaging and all that. Earlier, you know, these tea even in the railway trains, okay, as it is mentioned in your textbook, that if you ask your grandparents especially, not parents, we'll be your parents, okay, that time the teas were served in permanent plastic glasses, okay, so these that used to be permanent. Now again the servings are different, okay, and those type of disposable cups and disposable plates we have been using for our parties, for different functions, okay, thinking our lives to be upgraded, but then we are creating heaps of garbage, heaps of non-biodegradable garbage, okay, which again affects quite many organisms at different trophic levels in the ecosystem. Got it, children? Okay, so we definitely must be using the degradable substances. Like again it was suggested that mud cups, okay, cooler, that should be used for tea. But again it was not made as a permanent solution, okay, because they thought that the topsoil will be utilized for making these cooler cups, okay. But these are the only solutions, and finally it was taken as paper cups to be used. Okay, children. So we have these microorganisms which will degrade on the home products, you can say, the vegetable peels, okay, the fruit peels, all that. But the biscuits, suppose, or the biscuits or the breads, whatever we see in the market these days, okay, the packaging of these particular substances are with one or two layers of plastics, and those plastics which are non-biodegradable. We go to the market without any bags of ours, the jute bags can be carried, but then again we carry plastics from the market and make heaps and throw it in our neighborhood on the road. Okay, many of the times you must have seen or you must have heard, children, that the cows which are seen loitering around on the roads, okay, they eat up those plastics and finally they die along with it because it goes and gets accumulated into the intestine. Okay, so these are really very harmful for the earth also. The water cannot percolate into the soil, so care must be taken. And throwing the beans, the dust, or you can say the garbage from the homes, again, as it is said, there must be two bins, one for biodegradable and one non-biodegradable. So non-biodegradable should be dumped at such a place, and physically it should be seen that it can be treated and treated again to make those particular plastic things, whatever it is. Okay, so lesser use of polythenes and plastics and all that must be done. Okay, and more use of degradable things. Only if we become conscious, we can save our Mother Earth, and we can save our lives, the quality of our lives, the quality of environment also. So this particular chapter, our environment, we learn that we human beings play a very important role in making the environment. Okay, and we are the ones who degrade the environment. So at a sweet note that we all will contribute in making the environment a better place to live in, I end the chapter. Okay, so hope you must have liked it. Okay, a thumbs up, like and share. Thank you all.